All right, so I want you to see the theme across these profiles that I gave you an example of to show you how everyone that is successful on LinkedIn generally does it, right? So I've just got a measly 5,000 followers, but I do get contacted by recruiters fairly frequently. That's just me. All right, let's take a look at JT O'Donnell, right? The CEO of Work It Daily. And she's got 2 million followers. You see, she has a link tree there, right? She has her about section done, her services added. She has her features for her profile, what's relevant to what she does. You see, she's only got a couple, right? She doesn't have a whole bunch of them. She just has what she's selling or marketing. She's got a lot of videos. You see that there. Everything's filled out. She has her education there. I don't like the fact that there's no links there, but whatever. Um, she has her recommendations there. She has her publications there, and she has her language skills there, right? Now, let's take a look at the next one. All right, so Tomas Maldonado. All right, so you see he has the link there, right? Relevant background photo. And he has the featured items for what he sells or what he's interested in or what he's promoting, right? So you see here, you see posting, you see, I love this. You see, he has links there, right? This is a fully completed profile out. He has his education there. You see, he has PDF there. Yeah, all of his education is there, right? And then we go ahead and go down, and you see everything else is completed and filled out. So you're starting to see a theme here. So you see Heath Adams over at TCM Security, the founder of TCM Security, right? So you see 191,000 followers. He's got everything filled out. He's got his about done. You see he has a featured for what he is primarily promoting, right? And you see posting is there, fully filled out with the profile. Now this stuff is missing. It should be a link there. I'm not sure. He has a picture for this. So I'm not sure why that's there. But anyway, so he has the education there. He has the certifications. And as you can see, what I was harking on, being able to click on certifications, right? So if you click on the CISSP, it doesn't go to a PDF. It goes to the actual certificate itself. Verification from Creedly. Okay, so we're seeing a theme here. Let's look at Nelson Djalo. All right, so a lot of followers. You see now he doesn't have a link tree. Uh, not sure why, but he does. He has everything on YouTube, right? But he should have a link tree there. But let's keep going, right? So what he has featured is his primarily his focus, his platform. You see, he has posting there. He's got his profile filled out, certification there. Go ahead and click on the certification, verify his credential, right? And goes to Docker. Okay. So, but he's a software engineer. Okay. Now let's look at the cloud person, right? You see links to his YouTube channel. All right, I don't want to butcher his first name. So it looks like Ifeanyi. So anyway, so as you can see, featured the primarily what he's promoting, right? A lot of followers. Okay. And I remember seeing this gentleman when he first got started. He had very few followers and he just blew up, right? So as you can see, post is always posting continuously. Found a role at AWS. Fully completed profile. You see, he has a link. This is the gold standard kind of profile, right? He's got the link tree. He's got the background banner. He's got the photo. He's got the, the history in there, the links to the stuff that he's done on his job, right? He's got the education, he's got the certifications, which are verifiable. The credentials are verifiable, right? You see, it's a running theme. Now let's look at Mr. Boyd Clois, right? Or Cluis. I might be butchering that, but forgive me. All right, so you see a link tree, right? So link tree goes directly to his primarily what he's trying to sell, right? Or promote. About tree, he's got featured here what he's selling or promoting. You'll see he has his posting, which is constant. He has a lot of followers here, right? So he has his profile filled out. He's got his education. Let's take a look at certifications. He does have a verifiable credential with CISP, which goes to Creedly, right? So all of this is to be as an example to show you how people fill out their profiles, how they market themselves, and keep this stuff in mind as you're going along. All right. This is a running theme across LinkedIn, and it's something you must do if you want to be successful in branding and marketing yourself. All right. All right. Have a great day.